Open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Unclip and remove the filter tray. Remove the filter from the tray. Install your new filter into the tray. Insert the filter tray into the housing. Install the filter housing door. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.